And today one of the best form of jihad is dawah. Conveying the message of Islam to those who are unaware of it. Today is the fard of every Muslim that he should convey the message of Islam to those who are not aware of it. To those non-Muslims who are unaware of it. Today, yet, more than 70% of the world population, they are non-Muslims. It's our duty to convey the message of Islam to them. Allah says in the Quran in Surah Muhammad, chapter number 47, verse number 38, وَإِن تَتَوَلَّوْا يَسْتَبْدِلْ قَوْمًا غَيْرَكُمْ ثُمَّ لَا يَكُونُوا أَمْثَالَكُمْ. If you turn away from your path, if you turn away from your duty, وَإِن تَتَوَلَّوْا يَسْتَبْدِلْ قَوْمًا غَيْرَكُمْ, Allah will substitute in your place another people, ثُمَّ لَا يَكُونُوا أَمْثَالَكُمْ, and they will not be like you.